Hello, this short video is designed to show you how you can do a backyard survey to find where mosquito larvae may be breeding. This video is part of a citizen science program called the GLOBE program. You can enter the data you collect using the GLOBE Observer app. After you watch the video and download the app on your phone or tablet, you can easily follow the steps to enter data about mosquito larvae you find in and around your yard. Why would you want to do a backyard mosquito survey? Well, you're probably aware that the female adult mosquitoes feed on blood, including ours, and that this behavior makes mosquitoes vectors of some pretty serious diseases, including West Nile virus, dengue fever, and ZIKA virus. So being aware of where mosquitoes are breeding means you can actually help to reduce the mosquito populations in your neighborhood by removing breeding sites. All you will need to do your mosquito larvae survey are a small aquarium net, a Ziploc bag, a white dish or a plate or other white container, a clear plastic cup, a magnifier such as those that you can clip on your phone to take photos, or you can use the magnifier app on your phone. A digital microscope is an optional but fun tool to use for examining the larvae. Where should you look for mosquito larvae? Any container that collects water, but especially dark colored containers like this one in my yard where I sometimes keep my turtle. I'm going to show you the steps for collecting the larvae. Use the aquarium net to sweep through the water in figure 8 motions. Transfer the contents into the Ziploc bag and hold it up against a pale background to look for the larvae. See how they swim in wiggling motions to the top of the water. There they hang with their breathing tube at the surface to get air. This is an important thing to observe. You can transfer your larvae into a white plate, lid, or other shallow container to examine them. You can take photos of the magnified larvae with your phone and upload them to the GLOBE Observer app. We're also going to look at the larvae under a digital microscope. You can buy these for around $50. We can determine what kind of mosquito this is by looking at two main features. The first is the size and shape of its breathing tube, and the second is the way it rests at the surface of the water. Our larva in the images has a long, very obvious breathing tube. See how the Culex larva has the longest breathing tube of the three genera, Aedes, Anopheles, and Culex. So it's pretty safe to say that we have a Culex larvae. Culex is the genus of mosquitoes that transmit West Nile virus. Anopheles is responsible for malaria, and Aedes is responsible for transmitting several diseases, including ZIKA, yellow fever, equine encephalitis, and dengue fever. So when we're doing our surveys, we look out for the presence of Aedes and Anopheles. Culex is the most common genus found in cities in South Louisiana, but Aedes is the salt marsh mosquito that you might meet when out fishing in Louisiana. So after you've finished collecting, identifying, and counting your mosquito larvae, make sure you empty any water containers in the yard where the mosquitoes can lay their eggs. They love dark, shady, damp places and do not need a large container. A small cup is enough. Happy mosquito hunting!